Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're getting that notification, if you're trying to visit a website here, you're getting that pop-up, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, usually websites right now, which is the common standard when you're accessing a website, websites addresses or the addresses that website uses usually has what we call HTTPS. Now, the S part means secure. So in some websites, they only have HTTP. Now, if a website only uses HTTP, means the connection itself is not secure, and the connection or the security of that website should be updated. In some cases, some websites do not include HTTPS or the S part or the secure part here, which means the website is dangerous. So that's why you're getting that notification. Your browser is telling you this is a dangerous website. Please avoid it. So that's what your browser is actually telling you. But if you really want to visit that website, what do you need to do here? And also just keep in mind, only do this at your own risk. You are risking the security of your PC if you try visiting a website that is not secure. But then again, what do you need to do? Now, the first way for you to solve this is by going to the section here at your browser and just try adding an S. Now, typically, sometimes that would work, but in some cases, if that doesn't work and you just want to brute force your access on that website, well, at the top right of your browser, by the way, I'm using Google Chrome, you want to click on the three-dotted option here and you want to go to Settings. Now, inside Settings here, you want to go to Privacy and Security at the left side or panel here. You want to access security at the center of your options here. And you want to look for the option that says always use secure connections. Now from here, you want to go ahead and disable the option for it. So once you disable this, you go and close your browser, open it up again and see if that actually solves the issue. Again, only do this if you have the necessary protections or antivirus is up to date, antivirus is up and running, because again, you are risking your PC if you try turning this off or if you try accessing websites that are not secure. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.